paywalls and so forth. How do you see that evolving? Because it feels like we have more and more computation, but we may not have more and more training data.
Yeah, I mean, I think that was almost
so
inevitable.
I don't know if this will be a problem, but she has mentioned actually something legit. We have more and more computational power, but we may not have more and more training data. But that should be a simple solution. You just not retrain, but you just feed back the same data. Like it's because as people are using AIs, they are using them to create more data. So you just feed back that same data. I think that's going to be a problem soon. Anyway, can we run out of data? Can we run out of data? That's actually